To hold you, I want to touch your skin, hearing you breathe, those simple things are carrying me on. And now I know why you're leaving. Open my door tonight, give me some time to set things right. Don't leave me tonight. I remember the days